Everywhere I go, I travel with my water bottle.
Turn the tap off, soap the dish.
I use my water bottle instead of purchasing the plastic bottles.
I'm going to say 70%.
A third.
50% or something like.
So I don't know, but I'll say 60%.
I want to say, I think it's like 60%.
Probably about maybe 40%. Am I right?
2% or something like that? It's like 20%.
80%.
Probably about 80%.
20%.
I believe it's something around 70% is in Canada.
It's life, right? You need it. You got to have it.
Just going to do some research and then probably do something about it. It pretty much means living, essentially.
I wish there was something we could do for them.
You think you could do something about it? Yeah, we should do something about it.
Makes me feel too privileged to have all the water that we do and use it so willy-nilly.
Like, unlike speeches, really.
It just is really sad to think that here I am over here not thinking at all about water, whereas there's people who are, suffering.
I'll definitely be posting about it and doing something that I can, something to conserve some water.
Maybe not take a shower that day. Or maybe just take a shorter shower.
I plan to be more conscientious.
Definitely conserve water. Well, I mean, maybe I'll start now and see what I can cut out.
Suppose I can take a shorter shower, I guess.
You don't let the water run. That's the first thing I teach my kids also.
Maybe a Facebook status.
Okay, so I'll celebrate World Plumbing Day on the 11th of March.
They do a big job, so I will hug a plumber.